Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi Chapter 3 Khilaune Wala Story Explanation and Textbook Solutions in English. Khilaune Wala meaning is a person who sells toys. वह देखो माँ आज खिलौने वाले फिर से आया है. So the child is telling his mother that today again the toy seller has bought different types of toys. So he's seeing the toy seller and telling his mother. कई तरफ के सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने लाए हैं. So he has bought different type of toys. सुंदर सुंदर meaning is beautiful. हरा हरा तोता पिंजरे में गेंद एक पैसे वाली. So he has bought हरा हरा meaning is green. पिंजरे meaning is cage. तोता is parrot. गेंद एक पैसे वाले. So he has also bought गेंद meaning is ball. So here it is ball, here is ball and here is parrot. Green color parrot in cage. छोटी सी मोटर गाड़ी है. The motor गाड़ी is this motor गाड़ी. Motor vehicle. सर 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 चलने वाली. So it is going it is going very fastly. The sound of that motor. सीटी भी हैं कई तरह की. सीटी is whistle. So this is whistle here. Whistle. कई तरह के सुंदर खेल. There are so many different types of toys. चाबी भर देने से बक बक करती हैं चलने वाली रेल. चाबी meaning is key. So there is a train. Rail is train which works by key. गुड़िया भी हैं बहुत बड़ी सी. गुड़िया meaning is doll. So here you can see doll. So गुड़िया is doll. पहिने कानों में बाली. So कानों is ears. You can also see earrings. छोटा सा t-shirt. So you can also see t-shirt. So like this you can also see t-shirt. छोटे छोटे ही लोटा ताली. So plates. Lota meaning is round. Tali is plates. Next. छोटे तो छोटे धनुष बाण. You can also see Dhanush Ban meaning is bow and arrow. So this is bow and arrow. Dhanush Ban is bow and arrow. He can also see hi choti choti talwar. Talwar is sword. Sword. नए खिलौने ले लो भैया जोर जोर वह रहा पुकार. So he's calling he's making loud noises so that children come to him and buy toys. मुन्नू ने गुड़िया ले ली है. So Munnu has bought doll. मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी. Mohan bought motor car. मचल मचल सरला कहती है माँ से लेने को साड़ी. But Sarla is asking her mother to buy sari. कभी खिलौना वाले भी माँ क्या साड़ी ले आता है. But how can a toy seller brings sari. साड़ी दो वह कपड़ा वाले कभी दे जाता है. So who will bring a sari? Only a cloth person. A person who sells cloth will bring sari. अम्मा तुमने तो लाकर के मुझे दे दिए पैसा 4. So the kid is telling, give me 4 पैसा. कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं तुम भी मन में करो विचार. So he is saying if you give 4 पैसे I'll buy things. तुम सोचते ही मैं ले लूँगा तोता बिल्ली मोटर रेल. So he is telling his mother, You are thinking that I will buy Tota parrot, Billy cat, motor as motor, rail is train. पर माँ यह मैं कभी न लूंगा, but I will not buy those. ये तो हैं बच्चों के खेल. So it is for children who play. मैं तलवार खरीदूंगा माँ, या मैं लूंगा तीर कमान. So I will buy either a sword or arrowhead. जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा राम समान. So I'll go to jungle. Jungle meaning is forest. किसी तड़का is monster. I'll kill the monster like Ram. तपसी यज्ञ करेगा असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. So yajna is meditation. So like this. So if any person is disturbing the meditation of saints, I will kill them also. यो ही कुछ दिन करते करते रामचंद्र बन जाऊंगा. So I will also become like रामचंद्र. यही रहूंगा कौशल्या में, तुमको यही बनाऊंगा. So you will also become like mother of Ramchandra, that is Kaushalya. तुम कहतोगी वन जाने को हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. I will go to forest with smiling face. हंसते हंसते meaning is smiling. पर माँ बिना तुम्हारे वन में मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा. So but the child immediately gets worried. He says, oh mother, how will I able to live in the forest without you? दिन भर घूमूंगा जल में, लौट कहाँ पर आऊंगा. So whom will be there for me? किससे लूंगा पैसे, रूठूंगा तो कौन मना लेगा. So who will give me paisa. रूठूंगा meaning is scold. Who will scold me? कौन प्यार से बिटा गोंद में. So who will celebrate मन चाही चीजें. कौन प्यार से बिटा गोद में मन चाही चीजें देगा. Who will give me things which I like by sitting on the lap. So all these is saying to her mother. So this is a story about. So this is I have given reference picture for Ram. So this is Ramchandra. This is all about a toy seller. This poem is written by Subhatra Kumari Chauhan. So the poet name is written here. Next we'll see question answers from this chapter. This is the textbook solutions of this chapter. First one is Kavita aur tum. First question. You must have got opportunities to get angry on one thing or the other. Root name meaning is scold or angry. First question. On what kind of things do you get upset or angry or scold? You can write, when my parents scold me or my brother keeps me. So when my brother who will not let me to see TV. So at that time, so you might get angry. This question answer might be different for each person. So you can just note this for reference. Apart from mother, who else are there in their house who celebrates you? Apart from mother, you can write father, dada's grandpa. So दादाजी मुझे बहुत प्यार दुलार देते हैं. So he is a person who gives lot of love and affection. Next, second question. We celebrate many festivals that emphasize the victory of good over evil. Find about such festivals and stories related to them and tell them in the class. So first important one is Dasara. Dasara is the main of such festivals where the victory of good is emphasized over evil. On this day, Rama killed Ravana and won the victory of good over evil. From that day, every day, this festival is celebrated with great pomp all over India. Next, third question, you must have known and understood about Ramachandra through Ram Leela or through any other story. What did you like about them? So Ramachandra, through any stories in TV or any drama you would have learnt. I like their obedience to their parents the best. Apart from this, he had many other qualities such as high ideals, sacrifice, patience, devotion to duty. All these things you can write. Next, fourth question, truncate the lines in which the following expressions occur in the poem. So, खिलौने वाले साड़ी नहीं बेचना. So, this text is written, given in the poem. कभी खिलौना वाले भी माँ क्या साड़ी ले आता हूँ. That kid asked, no, that text you have to write. खिलौने वाले बच्चों को खिलौने लेने के लिए आवाज़ों लगा रहा है. The toy seller is making noises for children to get noise. So, to get toys. For that, you have to write this sentence. Which toys should I take? So, you can, for this sentence, you have to write this. So, the kid is seeking mother's advice. माँ के बिना कौन मनाएंगे और कौन गोद में बिठाएंगे. So, who will celebrate without mother or who will sit on our lap? So, this also you can write this sentence. Next, fifth question. So, take peanuts. Moongfali meaning is peanuts. A person is selling peanuts. Garam karari meaning is hot, crispy. Time pass peanuts. You must have heard these sounds. So, this is a sound that comes from a street in order to sell. You can also make a collection of what other people say. For example, kabadi wala says kabadi or kabadi wala, junk paper. Next, sabji wala says take 10 and a quarter of kilos of potatoes, take green peas. All these sounds you would have heard. For phal wala meaning is fruit. A person who sells fruit says go off Allahabad or take apple, orange, chiku. So you can also add some other names and act in front of the students or in the class. Next question is play toys. Khel khilauna. First question, which of the toys you should like? You have to written here. So whatever is written here, which of these you like, that you have to write here. Why? First one is ball. Hawaii Jawaj is aeroplane. Motor gadi is motor vehicle. Trail gadi is train. Spin. Firki meaning is spin. Gudiya is doll. Bartan set is dinnerware set. Dhanush ban is bow and arrow. Balla ya kuch aur, bat or something. So here I have written like I would prefer to take a train because I like the sound of chak chak that makes while walking. So that when going, that makes chak chak sound. You can also write any other thing which you like and also write why do you like it. What sports do you play with your teammates? Satya meaning is teammates. I play kabaddi. Luka chipi meaning is hide and seek. Kho, badminton. All these you can write. Next question. खिलौना वाला शब्द संज्ञा में वाला जोड़ने से बना है. So in the word toy wala, you can see the wala sound. Look carefully at the underlined parts of the sentence given below and identify the nouns and verbs. Sanya is noun, kriya is verb. Pan wale. meaning is noun. Dilli wali, Dilli here is noun. 5 baje wali, meaning is 5 o'clock. So it is adjective, Visheshan Shabda. Bolne wali, here speak is verb. Dadi wala, meaning is a person who has beard. So dadi is Sanya. Upar is a Visheshan Shabda. Next, Raat is Sanya. This is easy, isn't? Tumari Ram Leela. Have you seen Ram Leela? Present your Ram Leela in the class by choosing one short story of Ram Leela. So this you can do it yourself. Next, Kavita mein Khatha. So there are 3 points is given about Ram, Kaushalya and Tadka. Tadka is some monster, that girl. These names are the characters of which famous story? Prasiddha is famous. राम, कौशल्या और ताडका, ये तीनों नाम रामायण की प्रसिद्ध कथा के पात्र हैं. नेक्स्ट, यही रहूंगा कौशल्य में, तुमको यही बनूंगा. इन पतियों का कथा से क्या संबंध है? So will Kaushalya stay here? So where do these lines come in the story? How they are connected? So child sees himself. So here you would have seen this line in the Kilonawala poem. So how it is connected in the poem? So this text is given in the poem. So how it is connected, they are asking. The child sees himself as Rama and his mother as Kausalya, but he is not ready to go to the forest like Ram, but he wants to stay in the house with his mother. So he is connecting his character with Ram, Lord Ram. Next, some references of this story have been talked about in the poem. Find out by asking around you. Tapsi yan karenge, that is a saint who performs meditation. Asuron ko main maar bhagaunga, so I'll kill demons. So you will say that I will go on laughing. So the person the kid says that I will go to the forest by laughing. So all these things you have to write. So why did they kids talk about this references in that poem? So first one was Ramon used to trouble the sages and sages who did penance in the forest. So disturbing their peace, this demons would disturb the sage. Rama killed those demons, after which he again started doing meditation peacefully. Rama went to the forest for 14 years. 14 varsha. So 14 years he went to forest like an obedient son on the order of his parents. Accepting his order of his parents, he went to forest for 14 years. So this is the reference that he has given in this poem. So this textbook solution and this chapter explanation ends here. This is the easy chapter and small chapter. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.